Hello friends, I'm Dashuk Das. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Shadow Bytes. This is my first electronics engineering tutorial video. Basically, in this video, I'm going to practically show you a basic circuit design where I'm going to use this CR2032 battery and will glow up the LED like this. I don't know if you can see this or not. I will use a simple switch mechanism and also I will use a battery holder. Now, this is a simple experimental type of video. Like if you are satisfied with this type of video, then I will make more electronics engineering tutorial project video as well beside making the coding tutorial videos. Now, why I am making this video, let me say one thing. If you watched my first video of this channel, which was earlier named as Jet Grammings, there I have said that I will also make videos about various engineering projects, and various engineering project means it relates to other engineering branches as well. So this is it. This is basically electronics engineering practical project, basic circuit design. So without any further delay, let's begin. Now for making this basic circuit, I bought this thing from local shop. I could have bought it from Amazon as well, but if you buy from Amazon, then you need to buy many things in bulk quantity and it will also cost huge, and I think it's not a practical thing to buy everything in bulk quantity. So I bought this. This is connecting wires, which is priced 15 rupees per yard. 1 yard is approximately equals 92 centimeter. Then this CR2032 battery holder. I forgot the price of this battery holder. 2 LED diodes, which is priced approximately 2 rupees per piece. Means each LED diode is approximately 2 to 3 rupees. This battery, CR2032 battery. You can buy any CR2032 battery. I am using Duracell battery, which is 40 rupees. So anyways, now I'm going to make all these connections. By the way, I bought this wire for 30 rupees because it's 2 yard length, but actually it's 2 into 5 because you can see there are 5, not 5, 6, 2 into 6. Basically 2 into 6 means 12 yards overall length, because here 6 wires are joined together, and I will just remove each joint and use the wire individually for all the connections. Now let me say you that why I am making this project, what utility I will get, and how this project will help me, or maybe it can be helpful for you as well. So basically, few days back I bought this tire pressure gauge, and then I found a problem, that is here is no LED light or any light, for which it becomes difficult while measuring the tire pressure in dark areas. That time you need to use your phone flashlight and it is not a practical solution. So I thought, what if I make a small die project, thereby fitting the LED like this, and then the entire this thing will be visible even in darker areas. And for making it more practical, I bought a battery holder so that it makes sense. Like if I press the battery holder, then I don't have to desolder this thing again and again for each and every battery replacement. And this tire pressure gauge, you can see this is a rubber around this solid thing, seems like it's metal. Anyways, I can remove this and then I can place it here like this, and then I will again close it and it will be a practical solution. So this is why I am making this project. Now let's move on to the tutorial. Before starting the basic circuit design practically, please have a look at this circuit diagram, as because based on this diagram you need to make all the connections, the soldering and all. You can take a screenshot of this part of the video for the circuit diagram, or you can download the circuit diagram, link given in the description below. Okay, so now let's move on to the practicals. Okay, so I have forgot to mention one important thing, that is the total price of all these components are rupees 100. Within 100 rupees I bought all these things. Now let's start doing all those connections. Let me first remove this thing one by one. Now let's see if this, let's do something. Okay. Okay, first let's try with this basic thing. Okay, now let's try to wire it up and see if this basic wiring works or not. If it works, okay, I do understand that this is a stupid idea. Anyways, so basically I don't think so it will work. No, it should not work in fact. Okay, it's working. It's working absolutely fine. You can see it's glowing. So this test is successful. Now it's time for the execution. Now let's see how much wire is needed for each of the terminals. Let's open this up and see. By the way, we need to make some holes in some areas, like here for the LED setup. And let me see, we need to do one thing. Okay, this thing we will do, and we will bend it slowly. This, yeah, and this way it should work. If the LED glows here, then I think it's sufficient enough to light up this. That we will test after the end of this complete project. Now let's measure the length of wire needed. Based on that, we will cut wires and all. Okay. By the way, we need the electrical black tapes. If you are familiar with the black tape, let me show you. We need this type of black tapes, electrical black tapes as well. Let's see. Okay, I painted this and I need to paint this as well. Okay, so I think it's quite okay now. Now let's see how much wires are needed for this. This is sufficient enough. In fact, okay, I need to make a switch connection, right? Okay, use the bulb LED here to make the connections. This way. This is quite okay. To solder it here to make the switch connections. Let me put it here. If I solder it here, I should keep it here. I cut this portion, it will be a better idea, I think. Anyways, I should make everything very carefully so that I make no mistake. Yeah, if I make the switch here, then I think it will be a better idea. Yeah, I will not face any problem on turning on and off this thing. Switch and LED on the same side. Okay, let me see if everything is okay. Then after making sure everything is okay, then only I will proceed. Otherwise, again I will cut wrong areas. Okay, I will place the battery here. Okay, the connection will be easy and simple, I think, because now every work is reduced. Using scissor, we could cut this portion, which is okay. Anyways, let me do something. If I place it here, don't think it would be a bad idea. Okay. It's not a bad idea. This trick should work, but I need to cover these portions properly. I need to solder this portion. Then I think it would make sense. Let's see if this works or not. Okay, first I have to use hammer to. At present, I don't have hammer with me. Hammer is somewhere else. Instead, I can use this particular thing to make the switches plain. By the way, this is my first smartphone's battery. I have to do it even further. Okay, now let's solder. Okay, so I have to solder this portion. Watch it very carefully, because if you do a small mistake, then the whole system will malfunction. Let's first use a temporary sellotape or black tape in this portion, because otherwise it's not possible to make everything right, everything okay. Now it's time to do the soldering. I have to make everything very carefully, because small mistake can make to major disaster. Hopefully it's working like it should work. main issue is already fixed. Now let's do some small tests. But before doing all those tests, let's first join this wire with this part. Because of my stupid mistake, I broke this portion. So let's first join it. Okay, time to join it properly. Let's twist it. Start twist. Okay, I twisted it. First, let's join this portion. Need tweezer. Use this extra portion. Let's use some more. Okay, this is the battery. Okay, now let's see. Okay, let's do it in reverse way. Touch this portion. To touch this portion, I need to bring out another wire. This portion I should cut. This is enough. Now let's do the same thing here. Let me remove the battery first, because without removing it will be difficult for all the connections and all. Okay, now let's solder this portion. Desoldering is not a big deal, so let's solder this portion. Oh, now let's put the battery in. Let's put it on test. Okay. Okay, so let's put it on test. Let's see if everything is working. Oh, I have to test it in this way, right? Okay. I'm putting this here, this portion here, another portion on another side. Hopefully it will work. Okay, this is the serious test. Now let's reverse the connection. Okay, I got it. I have to readjust all this and everything. Throw this wire away. I need to use more wires because this portion is negative. Okay, I have to use more wires. I need it. Some more, some more. Oh, that's fine. This much is enough. Okay. Okay, let's put everything properly. I need to clean all this thing up using desoldering wig. Okay. Okay, let's try again. Okay, let's remove the extra portion of this black tape because it's creating. Now to stick it here using a both side tape should resolve the issue. This is transparent double-sided tape. First I need to make some more adjustments. Like if I made this, I have to check if everything is okay. Make this. Check. The longer wire on this side and the shorter on this side will make the thing glow. Okay, I should make it in this way. Okay, first this side small portion. You can buy these types of both side tape from Amazon, but I bought it from Meesho to buy it at most affordable possible prices. Okay, place it here. Pressing in this position would be the best idea. Okay, now let's cut the longer wire a little bit. This portion. Okay, I need to cut here this portion. Oh, what's happening? Okay, to cut this portion as well. Need some more black tips. This much will be enough. Okay. Now it's time to solder this portion. Okay, as you can see, switch working fine. Join this portion as well. Hmm. Okay, start to screw it up. Let me tape it here a little bit. Only a small amount is more than enough. Yes, I think soldering is done almost. Yes, you can see it's working. Now it's time to add some finishing touches out here, like cut whatever extra portion that's not needed. Okay, it's time to add all the finishing touches that are necessary. I know this video is very long, but in this entire video, I have showed how to do a basic circuit design practically. After making all this video, I will also upload a circuit diagram for this particular circuit which I made just now, so that you can understand everything properly. Okay, now one more thing need to be checked. That is, we have to check. Adding some tapes are always necessary. Add a small portion of tape to here. Okay, everything is done. Now this is a rough basic circuit diagram of the circuit which I made just now, which you can see. This is the diagram. You can place the switch on the negative terminal also. That's not a big issue. I mean, that will not create any problem. Just instead of switching on and off this portion, the switch on and off will be on this portion. But using this circuit diagram only, you can easily make this type of circuit, and it's completely done. As you can see, if I switch it on, the LED will glow. Switch off, LED will turn off. On, glow, off, turn off. Even I can easily replace this battery if the battery discharges completely. Let me see if I can put this back on or not. Hopefully I can. Oh yes, I did it. Just see this. This is the switch. I need to add one more finishing touch to this project. Okay, now it's time to add on sellotape here for better safety, because to prevent it from water damage. I need to use zero tips again and again. Okay, so now let's turn off all the lights and see if the thing is working fine or not. Okay, so lights off. So now I'm in extreme dark condition and reading is not visible at all. Let's turn on the light. As you can see, it's properly readable. I can read, it's easily readable. It's easily readable. So yeah, this is the project. So let's cover it up and add this finishing touch. Okay, so everything is ready. I can use this pressure gauge even in dark areas. That's impressive. So that's it. This is how the circuit works. At the start, I have forgot to say one thing. On LED, there are two wire coming out of our LED diode. The longer wire is the positive and the shorter wire is the negative terminal. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. So this is how you can design a basic circuit using LED, switch and battery. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and find this video helpful, then please hit the like button. Like target is only 50. Please help me to complete my target. If you haven't subscribed my channel Shadow Bytes, then please subscribe it and tap the bell icon beside it and all the bell icons select all to watch my latest videos before anyone else. And if you feel like I should upload this type of circuit design video as well, then write those in comment. Based on your comments, I will upload circuit design videos as well beside uploading coding tutorial videos. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe and goodbye.